everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're here to do another hair video. This gorgeousness, this is a unit from UNICE Hair. This is a 22-inch kinky curly half wig. Y'all, where's my hair and where's the weave? And it's beginner friendly. I literally blended my hair in a minute. This is a half wig, so you have like versatile styling options. It's full, it looks great. UNICE really did their thing with this unit. The texture and quality of the hair I'm really impressed with. Like, it's very soft. And I didn't use any products in the hair because I really wanted you guys to see the hair. If you want to see how I installed and styled this hair, keep on watching. So this is our box that our unit comes in. And UNICE always sends over a bunch of goodies. It's a bunch of headbands in here. So this right here is their kinky curly half wig. And ooh, it's a really nice kinky texture. So this unit features a kinky curly texture, and it also features a seamless edge. And this one actually has like kinky edges, like it's kinkier than the hair. Can you guys see that? The edge is a little bit more kinkier than the hair, and that's gonna help you blend like seamlessly. And also on the inside, it comes with combs, as you can see here, and it also comes with a drawstring. It also features silicone strips around the perimeter of the wig so it won't scoot around. I love that seamless edge. This is seamless, no track is showing, so your wig is gonna blend flawlessly, okay? So when you're wearing a half wig, less is more. You don't want to have a whole lot of hair out, okay? I have a little bit of leave out. I do a perimeter braid, and then I just do straight backs and I connect them. Flip the combs outside. We're gonna take those combs and carefully slide them under our braid, okay? Now I'm attaching the combs on the sides, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the combs in the back. So this is our drawstring, and you just wanna pull it until it feels comfortable. Not super tight, just until it feels comfortable, and slide the little bead up. So now that is nice and secure. The drawstring will also allow you to wear your hair like up in a ponytail. It just keeps everything nice and secure and in place. Okay, guys, so now everything is on. Look, y'all, look how secure this is. A unit like this, you do need to co-wash it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and go wet my hair in the bathroom. Whenever you're using like kinky curly or like deep curls or anything like that, you need to fully saturate the hair so you can bring out the beautiful texture of the hair. You need to wet this down completely, and then I'm gonna show you how I detangle it, what products I use on it, and everything. So I'll be right back with my hair wet. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and wet down my hair. Like, it's fully saturated. To define my curls, I like to go in with some conditioner. I swear by the Suave conditioner. Doesn't matter which kind, all of them seem to work really well. With curly hair, conditioner can be one of your best styling agents. Beautiful curls. And I still want this to have a really pretty, like, fluffy look. So our curls look pretty defined. And all I'm doing is raking my brush through and kind of like rolling it. You want to take a diffuser and you want to diffuse your hair in small sections. You want to try to not interrupt the curl pattern to get the most definition, okay? This diffuser, I've had it for, y'all, forever. And I got it from Sally's and it works awesome. So let's go ahead. Okay, guys, so our hair is almost done drying. It is gorgeous. This texture looks very natural. Okay, guys, so it looks like everything is nice and dry. It has so much definition. I'm gonna clip my hair out the way. So I'm just gonna pick that apart. I'm gonna pick the other side loose. It's that easy to blend. That's why I love kinkier textures. So if you're a person looking for like a protective style, I didn't have to use any heat, you guys, and it's minimal leave out. So I am gonna go through and just kind of fluff out my hair. Look at that blend, so flawless. What's so beautiful about this unit, it just looks like my real hair. Y'all, this is literally the ultimate protective style. It is so pretty. If you're a person interested in trying out a kinkier texture, the half wig is the way to go because it's no commitment. You can put it on, you can take it off, you can style it however you want. This hair is everything, y'all. When you wear this, you're gonna attract attention because people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, she has the most gorgeous natural hair. I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of the texture. It looks like natural hair. With this unit, you can also achieve different types of styles. Usually when I have half wigs, sometimes I like to do just a little really cute half up, half down situation. That looks, y'all, it looks so natural. Oh my God, so cute. Do a little elastic. This style was easy to do. It took me literally a second. So I believe that's it for today's video. Remember to check the description bar below if you're interested in this hair. Let me know in the comment section below how you like it, if you wear kinky curly units. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up the video, and I will talk to you guys on my next one.